Mark and you're watching Road Odyssey. Decided to go to Medill, Oklahoma. I remember seeing some interesting cars up in that area, and I thought, well, we'll go for a scenic drive and mess around and go to Medill and see what's up with these cars. Well, as it turns out, you get up there and you see this one old building, and there's some rickety old cars out there in the parking lot. And, so I'm out there looking around, and as you turn and look on the other side of the street, just kind of up the road a little ways north, there was another building there with another old car. So I thought, well, I'll just look into this. So I videotaped this one building, which turned out to be a shop and a warehouse, went across the street up north to this other building, and it turned out to be a showroom. So let's see what all this ended up being. All right, so here we are coming down 199 from east to west. We get on the main drag and we see this old warehouse with cars. I start snooping around. The window doesn't really mean much to me because there's cars around there. And so I decide to videotape the parking lot. And here we go here. As it turns out, this ends up being, like I said, the shop warehouse. Lots of nice cars here that they plan on working on sometime soon. But I did not know that at the time that I was videotaping this. All right, I looked across the street and I saw another 240Z at this other building. So I thought, well, we will pop over there. At the time, there's nothing on the windows to let you know that this is a auto shop. So I walked in the door and there you go. This is what I saw. I was amazed. And here's a little bit more about it. So this is the 240Z Guild showroom, owned by a man named Robert. Okay, quickly, we came in off 199, hit 70 and went north to the 240Z Guild. And here's their Facebook page. If you look them up, some information there. And here's a quick clip on basically part of the mission of this company. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and you will get more of this sort of stuff along with parks and scenic drives and all that good jazz. So hope you have a great day. See you later and try to relax.